After the inspection and palpation of the precordium of the patient, we should proceed forward for the auscultation. And for auscultation of the patient, there are three prerequisites that we need to be fulfilled. Firstly, we need a quiet room, and then we should incline the patient in the 45-degree position. We should do this because while the patient is lying flat, the venous return will be more, and if the patient is standing, then the venous return will be less. And also in the 45-degree position, the heart lies superficially, and so we can auscultate the precordium and hear the heart sound more loudly and clearly. And if the patient is female, we need the double consent and privacy and female attendant as a examination procedure. And then we should auscultate with the help of the diaphragm the four areas, that is mitral, tricuspid, pulmonary and aortic. And with the help of the bell, we should auscultate mitral and tricuspid area. But before that, we should have located the apex beat and turn and kept one hand in the carotid pulse of the patient. And then after that, we should turn the patient to the left lateral position, and with the help of the bell, we should say the patient that to take a deep breath, expire, and hold the respiration. And we should auscultate the mitral area with the bell. And after that, in the left lateral position, we need to auscultate the axilla with the diaphragm. After doing this, we also need to auscultate in the same position or in the lying position. We should auscultate the two carotid areas, bilateral carotid areas. We can do it either with the bell or the diaphragm, depending upon the area of the neck. If the patient has large area of the neck, we should do it diaphragm, and if it has low area of the neck, then we should do it with the help of bell. And after this, we should ask the patient to lean forward and auscultate three areas: aortic, pulmonary, and third intercostal space. So that if you auscultate aortic, then ask the patient to inspire, expire, and hold the breath. And for pulmonary area, we should just need to ask the patient that inspire and hold the breath, and then we should auscultate the third intercostal space in the leaning position with the help of diaphragm, and then at last ask the examiner to say that, sir, I need to auscultate the base of means back of the chest for the bilateral basal crepitation. And after that, auscultating, you need to firstly
Just now perform the procedure. You have already told us.
firstly check that by tapping that if it is in the diaphragm or if it is in the bell. Firstly, we need the diaphragm, so always ensure that the stethos is placed in the diaphragm. After checking that, we need to again locate the apex beat. Suppose I have found the apex beat of the patient here, and then always remember to put your hand in the carotid pulse. After that, we need to proceed forward, and firstly the mitral area, then the tricuspid area, then the pulmonary area, then the aortic area, and after that we have to again turn the stethos to the bell and again check if it has turned to the bell. Then again, never forget to put your hand in the carotid area, and then again do it help at the mitral area. Then the tricuspid area. and then ask the patient to turn in the left lateral position. Mama, একটু আপনি রাখো and again with the help of the and your hands within the carotid pulse, ask the patient to take the breath here and then expire and hold. So in Bangla we say আপনি একটু শ্বাস নেন ছাড়েন আর তারপরে শ্বাস ধরে রাখেন ধরে রাখেন ধরে রাখেন and then after that with the help of the diaphragm আপনি শ্বাস নিতে পারেন then then you have to look for the axilla and now the patient should be again with lead flat. Since the area is low, I'll auscultate the carotid area with the help of the bell. So it should be bilateral carotid area. And after doing so, we should ask the patient to stand up and lean forward. Now, अपने हाथ फील ओपन करें. आगे आगे आगे. And with the help of the diaphragm, your hands should always be in the carotid area and ask the patient to expire, inhale, expire and hold the breath. Now आपने सांस लें, सारे लगभग लगे. आपने सांस लें, धरे रखें. Then we should look for the pulmonary area. सांस लें. And then the third intercostal space. And after completing this, we need to say the patient, we need to ask the sir that I need to auscultate the back of the chest for the bilateral basal crepitation.
In the basal region.
After doing so, we need to thank the patient for your support, and we need to have the if there is exposure, then you need to previously
Very close at the end.
যেভাবে ছিল এইভাবে করে দিন ধন্যবাদ বাবা আপনাকে অনেক 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 আপনি যে শর্টটা ছিল সে পরে নিন থ্যাংক ইউ